In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Jiji app not working or not responding. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're trying to use Jiji app, but each and every time you try to open it, it hangs or it can't open, or even it keeps on crashing, then just use any of these methods. In the first method, you're going to go ahead and access the Jiji app info page. To do this, just go ahead and long press on the app and then choose this option, app info. Now from the app info page, you want to go ahead and clear the app data. To do this, if I go to storage here, you can see the breakdown of data on this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data down here and choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK. Then go ahead and restart your smartphone and go ahead and open your app, and this should solve most of your problems. However, should this not solve your problem, again come back to app info, and this time around again go to clear data and choose the first option, clear all data. At this point, you'll need to go ahead and log in afresh to your app to start using it. However, if this second method didn't solve your problem, then you need to go ahead and look for any update for your app in Google Play Store. So go ahead and search for your app and see if we have an update here. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Jiji app that might be prone to bugs or security issues. So go ahead and get the latest version by updating it and then now open it. However, should you still experience any issue, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall this app, then install it afresh. This will fix bugs that might be associated with your app. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issues related to your Jiji app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.